Hey y'all, today we're going to be tearing into this engine and seeing what's going on with this bad boy. So I got my lovely girlfriend recording, so we got an extra set of hands today, so hopefully we can put them to good use. Why are you recording me?
Evidence.
By the way, it shows the red light whenever you're
Okay, my bad, damn.
I was just letting you know. Alright, so got the valve covers unmounted and I just wanted to show y'all first reveal, get first reaction, but I also wanted to show y'all how much carbon's built up in there, so definitely gonna clean those. We'll see how she's looking. That's actually not as bad as I thought it'd be. Another thing I want to show y'all is where the bolts where you can see the original red. That just shows you that this has probably never been taken apart since it came off the lot. But here's the other one. Yeah, not too shabby. All right, so I did some off-camera mining, off-camera work, and I got the distributor off there. It has definitely seen its better days. Heads are off, and she's a little dirty, but I kind of expected this buildup. I mean, that's just the gasket material. There's still surprisingly coolant in here. Actually, not surprisingly, that thing never stopped draining. There is, man, I don't know where my headlight went, but there's still cross hatching on them, so I'm not too worried about the cylinder walls at all. I mean, I expected that. So looks like I'm not going to have to tear into the bottom of it. I will probably take the oil pan off and water pump off, but she spins smooth as butter. So alright y'all, I did forget about the heads. I got them off, and the valves do look pretty good, if I do say so myself. Pretty damn good, in fact. Not too worried about those, so I don't have to do much work with that. But I think that's about it for the engine teardown. We will probably start rebuilding this puppy here soon. Got to start cleaning up all the mess, that's for sure. But overall, pretty easy. Took me about 2 or 3 hours to strip it all down. So thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a blessed day.